This is the easiest way to restore faded black plastic trim.
I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that I've found to bring that deep black color back. Before applying any trim restoring product, there's one important thing we need to do first, and that's clean it really well. Because putting any product over dirty or greasy plastic can affect the final result. So we're going to clean and degrease the plastic first. I'm starting by giving the plastic a good rinse with water. This initial rinse just helps remove any loose dirt and debris and gets everything ready to be scrubbed. The degreaser I'm using is Dawn dish soap. I've been using this stuff for over 19 years. It's cheap, it's easy to get, you can find it anywhere. It does a great job cleaning the trim. And what we're removing is stuff like road grime, dirt, oils, and even residue from other detailing products. We don't want any of that stuff to sit between the plastic and the trim restoration product. So we're applying the Dawn and giving the entire surface a good scrub with a wet sponge. I'm making sure to get into the textured areas and anywhere dirt or residue may be hiding. The goal here isn't to restore the plastic yet. We're simply trying to get the surface as clean as possible so that the restoration product has a properly prepared surface to adhere to. Once everything has been thoroughly cleaned, I'm rinsing away all of the soap and anything we loosened from the surface. And we're going to let the plastic completely dry. And I can't stress that enough to make sure that you give the plastic time to completely dry, because the trim restoration product does not work if it mixes with water. Now for the actual restoration. I'm using the Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Restoration Kit. The kit comes with individually packaged wipes containing the product, so the application itself is extremely simple. Once the surface is clean and completely dry, just open one of the packets, put on the gloves, and apply the product directly to the faded plastic. And you can see the color changing almost immediately. I'm just working it evenly across the surface, making sure I get complete coverage without missing any areas. If you get any on the paint along the way, just make sure you wipe it off with a microfiber towel before it has a chance to dry. And also, be sure you do this when the plastic is cool to the touch. And instead of finishing the entire piece, I'm going to stop right here because I want you to see the actual difference. I want you to see the contrast. It's pretty noticeable, right? One side has been treated with the Cerakote and the other side hasn't. I think this halfway comparison shows the difference better than anything I could sit here and talk to you with words. The untreated plastic has that faded, washed out gray appearance still, and the treated side has that deep black color again. And remember, we haven't painted the plastic, we're simply applying the trim restoration coating directly to the surface. So now that I've showed you the difference here, I'm going to finish applying the Cerakote to the rest of the plastic. Again, I'm working carefully across the surface and just trying to keep the application nice and even. And because we're using a wipe instead of dealing with bottles or brushes or like sprays, this is an incredibly simple process. It's pretty much idiot proof. I mean, you really can't mess this up. Just make sure you cover the entire surface and don't miss anything. Once I've completely covered the remaining faded areas, I'm going to leave the product alone and allow the coating to cure for a couple of hours. And now let's take a look at the finished result. Here's what we're left with. Compare this to what the plastic looked like when we started. The faded gray appearance, it's gone. And we've brought back a much deeper, darker finish. And as you can see, the process is very simple. There's not a lot of work here at all. Actually, honestly, most of the work was simply making sure the plastic was properly cleaned first and prepared and then completely dry. Once that was done and everything was dry, applying the Cerakote was extremely easy. So if you got faded black plastic trim on your car or your truck, this is definitely one of the easiest restoration methods that you can do.